to share one of the technologies that I'm using. And again, there's a number of things that are available. You could use the microphone in your tablet or whatever, camera. I'm using an earphone set and microphone. And I'm also using a tablet with a pen that allows me to write. And as I write, it will be recorded on the screen and have this little toolbar here that's called an Epic pen. If I get the drop-down menu, I can select a pen or a highlighter or line maker. This is an eraser. This is size of the stylus. We can go back. If we've erased something, it'll bring the last screen back. This is the garbage can, throws everything out. This would be a white screen if I wanted one. And then this takes a screenshot, and then this closes the program. But if I wanted to write something on my tablet, I would just go like so here. And let's see if I get it going here. All right, there we go. It was writing a little slow. And of course, I would be writing formulas, but then I would erase what I want. And all of this is, my voice is captured, the screen is captured, and I'll close this out and get to the next part. Now, to get a general idea of what I do, I think if you're interested, you go to YouTube, and we'll take a moment for that to set up. And in the address bar on YouTube, once that opens, you can type in H1103 Math Zone. Enter. Click on this and click on videos. And I have over 100 videos posted here, so often you have to use this mini search bar here where you type in something. Let's say orientation. And it gives you the orientations that I've made for my regular 1108 course and the 1108 11L course. They're a little bit different, very similar. So if you wanted to get the general view of what's being done and what I expect of the students in the flipped classroom model, which is what we'll be doing while students are off campus, you can click on one of those. And then if you wanted to just see what one of the lessons are like that I've done using, again, the screencastomatic, you would type in, let's say, 1.8, which is one of the lessons we do. And there it comes up. And you would click on that, and this shows, as you'll see here shortly, what I'm expecting the students to do as they view the video. Hi, this is going to be a series of videos in which we feature the PowerPoint slides from our Hawks software. And we skip a few sections in Chapter 1. We're going to pick up with Section 1.8, Introduction to Integers. And I'll just scan through this a little bit so you can see how it works, number lines. And again, you want or the absolute value of something always x is less than or equal to -5. And this was the writing I would use using the Epic Pen and that tablet. Okay, now once I've recorded, and let me show you the site that I use to record on. And you would type in the address bar screencast-o-matic and then just hit enter, and this would come up. And this is the site right here. And there's a free version of this where you can record up to 15 minutes, or there's a pay version where it's unlimited time recording. And I believe I paid $20 for this, and it's well worth it. Now, once you've done your program using PowerPoint or whatever slides you want to use, and this is recorded, you save that file to your video folder. And the nice thing about screencastomatic, the files are generally small and easy to upload. All right, let's go back to our... Now, before we do it, let's give you the Epic Pen site. If I click on that, I go enter, and there it is, right here, Epic Pen, the world's most popular screen marker app. And there's a free version of that, and there's a professional. I have the professional. It allows you to do much more, but the free one is manageable, and you could do well with that. All right, now I'm going to back to the UNH site, going down here to Blackboard. And when that comes up, I sign in. And you need to let cookies form, apparently. Now, I've actually set up on here, I'll use one of my courses from this term here. And I'm on to one of my courses. Over here on the menu side on the left of the screen, I have what is called Flipped Classroom Media. But this is related to this site over here, Kaltura. Now, if I click on Kaltura, there is a recorder associated with that. But again, I like the screencast-o-matic for all of its properties and ease of editing and modifying, and I like the pen that's here. There's other programs that have different things. And if I clicked here onto my Flipped Classroom Media, it takes a moment for it to open up. It gives me the media gallery where I have 62 of these lessons that I've prepared. And if I want to find one, like the one I showed on YouTube, 1.8, I just type that in there. And there is 1.8 right there. Click enter. And there's, I got somehow 1.11 here. I wanted 1.8. There we go. All right, there's 1.8. Now we also do, many others. If you wanted to do 5.3, for instance, I would type that in there. And that way the students can find what they are looking for. And there are the PowerPoint slides. This is the same presentation that I have on YouTube, but this ties it into the university's Blackboard page. Now, if I wanted to add media, I would click on this bar here. It opens up to something like this, and then it says search. So I would go to add new here, add new, and then media upload. I would click on that, and then it would open up my folder on this computer of the videos that I've prepared, capturing the screen and my voice and the pen and the lesson that I was teaching. And I would then choose a file, type in the file I'm looking for, let's say 1.8, and then it would select from all of the videos in those folders, and I would pick out the one I wanted and bring it down here, open it, and then that would put it into the Kaltura video bank, and then it would add it to my files. Well, since I've already added this one, I'm not going to add it again. I wanted to show you again what Kaltura is, and again, if you're interested, you would look it up. There's lots of stuff, and of course, in Eklund Hall, there is a training program there. Lisa Scanton, I believe, is the director and helped me to get it going and could, I'm sure, help you. All right, we'll keep this just a little bit over 10 minutes and hopefully it's helpful.